Sapia. Kailangan ko na extra paper para pagsulat ko ng vlog. Extra paper. Guys, good evening mga pre. Good evening Engineer Kurt. Good evening pre. Sup pre, present ka agad ah. Good evening mga ERP. Good evening mga pre ko. Good evening guys. Good evening pre. Guys, i-share nyo yung live. Thank you, Engineer Kurt sa heart me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Hello, Kel. Good evening, Kel. Guys, thank you so much, guys, ha. Thank you, guys. Guys, i-share nyo po yung live. Thank you, Kel, nag-repost. Thank you so much, Kel. Mag-gift ako, boy. Sige, boy. Hello, Kay. Good evening. Di magbigay ng worksheet. Guys, nagbibigay ako ng diba? Every night, every after the live, nagbibigay ako ng free worksheet, guys. Guys, every after yung live ng free worksheets ko, guys, kasama ng answer key. Okay? Thank you, it's yours, nag-repost. Kay Michelle, nag-repost. Thank you, Quiz 1, nag-repost. Thank you agad, pre, JJK Dino, guys. Thank you so much sa heart me, pre. Thank you, Paul29. Thank you so much. Good evening, yeah. Good evening din sa'yo, pre. Guys, i-share nyo muna yung live and we're going to start at 7 p.m. guys. 7 p.m. tayo mag-i-start, guys, ha. Thank you, Miro, nag-follow. Kay Wen, nag-repost. Kay Red, nag-repost. Thank you so much, pre. Guys, we're going to start at 7, guys. Wait lang natin yung ibang na late. Or mas maaga, depende. Okay. Thank you sa pag-repost, JJK Dino, guys. Tapos kay walang pangalan nag-repost. Thank you so much. Lloydie, nag-follow. Thank you, Lloydie. Extrovert, nag-follow. Thank you so much, pre. Guys, thank you sa mga nag-share ng live natin, ha. I appreciate you so much, guys. And please don't forget to tap, guys. Thank you so much, pre. Don't forget to tap, guys, ha. I-explain yung chat ko sa'yo sa TikTok. Depende, pre, kung alam ko i-explain. Kasi, guys, hindi ko pinipilit na i-explain pag di ko alam i-explain yung item. Guys, sa mga magpapaschedule, I'm going to entertain you after the live. Okay, since marami na kayo, we're going to start with number 1. Okay. Ang ina-note lang natin is PEMDAS. Okay, ito guys, ito yung note. Take note guys, ang PEMDAS, MDAS, BODMAS, GEMDAS, and GEMS are the same, okay? Yung PEMDAS, MDAS, BODMAS, GEMDAS, and GEMS are the same, pre. Okay? Hindi nagkakaiba yan. Hindi iba ang PEMDAS sa MDAS. Okay, hindi iba-iba yan. Pare-parehas sila ng meaning. Okay? Ang rule natin dyan is we need to prioritize, parenthesis muna, then exponents, third is multiplication and division. Sir, bakit multiplication and division? Kasi nga, same lang sila ng rank, pre. Walang mas mataas sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? Ang mauuna dito is from left to right tayo. From left, papunta sa right, pre. Okay? Ang multiplication and division are equal. From left to right tayo. Kung mauuna si division, gaya dito, edi magdi-divide muna tayo. Okay? And lastly, our number 4 is addition is equal to subtraction, pre. From left to right ulit tayo dyan. Okay? Take note ha, yung PEMDAS, MDAS, BODMAS, GEMDAS, and GEMS are the same, pre. Okay? Pare-parehas lang yan. And ito yung hierarchy nila. Kung ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Dito sa number 1, wala namang parenthesis. Kaya, move tayo sa exponents. Wala din siyang exponents, so we're going to move sa multiplication and division. Dito guys, pansin nyo ba? Division na una, di ba? So we're going to prioritize division first. So division muna tayo, pre. Okay, sa number 1, division muna tayo. So nauna si division, so we're going to divide first. So 48 divided by 6, this would be 8 times 4 minus 7, pre. Okay? 8 times 4 is 32 minus 7. Ang final answer natin is 25, pre. Okay? Take note, guys, ha. Ang uunahin natin is from left papunta sa right, pre. Guys, wait lang if blurred yung camera. Pupunasan ko lang saglit. Saglit lang, guys, ha. Pupunasan ko lang saglit yung cam if malabo. Saglit lang, guys. Pupunasan ko lang ulit saglit yung camera. Pupunasan ko lang saglit. Pag blurred. Okay? Yan, okay na. Guys, dito pansin nyo, di ba? Nauna si division, so we prioritize division first. Bago, multiplication, pre. Hindi pwedeng mag-multiply ka muna pag nauna sa kanya si division, pre. Okay? Sa number 2 naman, pre, we have a ratio problem. Guys, pag ratio problem, madali lang ha. Okay, madali lang siya pag ratio problem. Ang ratio problem kasi, hinahanap lang natin kung ilan yung share ng bawat tao. Okay, kung ilan yung makukuha ng bawat tao nakasali sa ratio natin. Diba may ratio tayo na 2:3:5. Ayan yung ratio nila. Tapos, sabi, yung total budget daw is 1.2 million, pre. Okay, 1.2 million yung total budget niya. So, dito, ang total budget niya is 1.2 million pesos, pre. Okay? Ang gagawin mo lang dito is you're just going to divide yung total budget by the total of this one. Kasi ito total mo lahat to. Okay, ito total mo lahat to. So, lahat yan, ipagpa-plus mo to get the total. So, 2 plus 3 plus 5 is ilan siya? Diba 10 siya? Ayan yung total nilang lahat. So, 1.2 million divided by 10 is 120,000 pesos per share. Sa isang tao, sa isang part ng ratio, 120,000 yung matatanggap niya. Ang tinatanong lang naman sa question is yung largest share. Ano ba yung largest share dito? Diba ito siya? Diba yan yung largest share natin? So, etong 120,000 na yan, you're just going to multiply it sa 5. Kasi ito yung pinakamalaking share sa 5. So, times 5, makukuha natin yung 600,000 na final answer, pre. This would be letter E. Okay, pre, guys, pa-share tayo live. Thank you, Jzam. Thank you, Nasha, pag-follow. Kay P, nag-follow. Guys, don't forget to follow and share the live, mga pre. And yes, guys, may replay to. Ipapakita ko mamaya kung saan nyo mapapanood yung replay. Thank you so much, guys, ha. Guys, follow me and repost the live. Tapos mag-tap-tap kayo, guys. Thank you so much. Bakit mo i-divide sa 10? Kasi nga, ito yung total budget, di ba? Kabuuan ng budget niya to. Thank you, Engineer Kurt, sa finger heart. Thank you so much, pre. Di ba kabuuan ng budget niya to? Pag kabuuan ng budget niya, i-divide mo din siya sa kabuuan ng ratio. Kasi yun yung magsasama-sama para ma-divide natin ng successfully etong total budget. Okay? Guys, thank you so much, guys, ha, sa mga nagsisend ng gift. And, Engineer Kurt, di ba magsi-CSE ka? Passer, August 2026 is first natin si Engineer Kurt. Okay, manifest natin yan, guys. Manifesting, pre, na pumasa ka sa civil service exam mo. Okay, yeah? Manifesting sa'yo, yeah, ha? Sana ipasa mo, please. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, sa mga nag-gift. Sa number 3 naman, guys. Sa number 3, we need to prioritize the fractions first na naka-parenthesis siya. Okay? 3/4 plus 5/8 muna. Pansin nyo, guys, hindi pantay yung denominator natin. So, kailangan natin ng LCD, guys. Okay? We need to find the LCD, pre. Sir, paano yung LCD ulit? Guys, ililista nyo lang yung 4 at saka 8, pre. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8, pre. And 8 times 1 is 8. So, ang LCD nila is 8 itself. Ayan agad yung denominator natin na 8. Okay? 8 yung denominator natin. Tapos, guys, pansin nyo ba? Ang gagawin nyo ditong process is ganito, ha? 8, i-divide nyo dito sa denominator, tapos imumultiply nyo sa numerator. Okay? 8 divided by 4 is 2, times 3 is 6. Plus 8 divided by 8 is 1, times 5 is 5, pre. So, we're going to have 11/8. Okay? Sa first part pa lang ng question natin yun, guys, ha? Yung 11/8 is for the first part of the question muna. Okay? Ngayon, we're going to subtract 7/16 pa dito. Again, guys, hindi pantay yung denominator, di ba? So, we need to get the denominator first. LCD ulit natin. So, ililista mo yung 8, tsaka 16. Ang 8 times 1 natin is 8. Ang 8 times 2 natin is 16. Ang 16 times 1 natin is still 16, pre. Kaya ito yung LCD natin. Siya yung magiging nasa baba. Okay? 16 divided by 8 is 2, times 11 is 22. Minus 16 divided by 16 is 1, times 7 is 7. And 22 minus 7 is 15/16, pre. So, we'd have letter D as the final answer. So, tama kayo guys. Guys, i-share nyo yung live. CSE reviewer to guys ha, or general knowledge to sa math. Okay? Guys, general knowledge to sa math ha. Pang CSE to guys, kaya share the live. Thank you so much guys. Share nyo yung live. And pala guys, may Sunday sessions tayo guys ha. Guys, up to number 40 tayo, so we need to top. Guys, pag nakaabot tayo ng 300k top-tops ulit, guys, 300k top-tops ha, pag nakaabot tayo ng 300k top-tops, I'm going to give you the worksheet for free and yung mga answer key natin. Thank you, Akira. Guys, sa Sunday, may batch sessions ako guys ha, plug lang ako saglit. Sa Sunday guys, may 10 a.m. session, and then may 7 p.m. session ako. Okay? Guys, yung 10 a.m. sessions, di ba 35 slots siya kahapon? May natira na lang na 30 slots pre. And sa 7 p.m. naman, may 35 slots kahapon, 24 slots na lang natira. Okay guys? Guys, konti na lang natira sa mga slots ko ha. So if you want to avail, just DM me pre. Pang CSE siya, CSE, LET, Napolcom, and FOE na math reviewer guys. Okay, math lang tinuturo ko guys ha. Ang payment natin is 50 pesos lang per session. Okay? And the special offer guys, ang special offer natin for this week is that if you avail now, guys, take note ha, math lang tinuturo ko, you can access yung 4 past lessons natin. Yung 4 na past na lessons ko, naka-record yun. Past sessions yun guys, okay? Past sessions natin maa-avail nyo. Makukuha nyo lahat. Per session, meron tayong 50 items, 2 hours siya, more or less. Tsaka, may replay, may answer key, tapos merong live mismo. Okay, if you avail now, ma-access nyo mga iba pang materials ko from the past 4 weeks. So, if you want to avail guys, you can just DM me and I'll reply after the live. Okay? Thank you so much guys. Keep on tapping kasi pag 300k top-tops tayo, I'm going to give you the worksheet for free. Okay? Dito guys, sir, paano naging 7? Ang ginawa natin is 16 divided by 8 is 2 times 11 is 22, di ba? And 16 divided by 16 is 1 times 7 is 7. Pag pinag-minus mo yan, matitira yung 15. 43, let's check guys, what's your answer sa number 4? Sa number 4 guys, sa number 4, what's your answer? 3, 3, 7, 13, 21, and 31. What's your answer, pre? Letter A ba, letter B, letter C, letter D, or letter E? Guys, don't forget to tap and share the live pag gusto niyo yung worksheet. Pag ayaw ng worksheet ko, it's fine guys. You can just watch. 468. Guys, tignan natin muna yung dinadagdag guys. Sir, ano ba yung dinadagdag? Ano ba yung gap? Ang gap kasi dito guys is plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10 pre. So, 4, 6, 8, 10 yung dinadagdag. So, meaning nun, puro even numbers lang yung pina-plus natin. Here, magkakaroon tayo ng plus 12 kasi nga even numbers yung gap niya, di ba? Ang gap is yung spacing ng bawat number. So, 31 plus 12 would have 43 as the final answer. Letter A lang siya. Okay? Guys, don't forget to follow me. And if you would like the worksheet for free, ibibigay ko ng free yung worksheet. Just tap and share the live, guys. Okay? Dito, guys, sa number 5 naman natin. Sabi dito, if 40% daw, hihimayin natin if 40% of a number is 96. Thank you, Ja. Thank you, Caitlin. Guys, eto sabi if 40% daw ng isang number is 96. Mag-focus muna tayo sa first part para hindi tayo mahirapan. So, yun ang gagawin nating next step. Ang next step dito is we're just going to divide both sides pre by 40%. Okay? Sir, bakit nagdi-divide tayo ng percentage? Para ma-cancel out to. And remember guys, if we are dividing by a percentage, you need to multiply it pa sa 100. Okay? Rule natin yan guys Pag nagdi-divide kayo ng percentage, you need to multiply it sa 100 pa. So, matitira yung number. Sir, paano mag-divide? Hindi ako marunong pag manual. Guys, kasi sa CSE or anything na exam nyo, wala tayong calculators. Oo guys, laging 100 yung pinang-divide. So, 96 yung nasa loob, and then, 40 yung nasa labas. 96 divided by 40 is 2, and 2 times 40 natin is 80 pre. Pag minus natin yan, matitira si 16. Hindi na siya pwede i-divide sa 40. So you're going to add decimal place, and a 0. I-bring down mo lang 0 dito. 160 divided by 40 is 4, and 4 times 40 is 160 na yan siya. So we're going to have 2.4, nakikita ba? 2.4 times 100. Magiging 240 na yan siya. Ayan yung number, guys. Sir, what is the 125% daw niyan? Sir, 125% niyan yung hinahanap. Guys, pag hinahanap yung 125%, pwede nating himayin yan. Okay? Pag himay niyan is 100% and 25% pre. Kasi pag pinag-total mo tong dalawang to, if you add these two, makukuha mo to pre. Sir, paano mahihimay yung 240? Guys, pag 100% of a number, kokopyahin nyo lang mismo yung number natin. Okay? Pag 100%, kopyahin mo lang mismo siya. Sir, paano naman yung 25%? Ang 25%, guys, is just, pag 25% ng isang number, you would just need to divide it by 4, pre. Okay? Pag hinahanap natin yung 25% of a certain number, you just need to divide it by 4. Thank you, Lance Leslie. Okay? So, 240 divided by 4, ang 25% niya is 60. So, 125% niya, you just add, makukuha natin yung 300, pre. So, this would be letter D. Good job, pre. Guys, sino magsi-civil service exam dito? Let's manifest nga na pumasa kayo. Guys, may isa na ako na manifest na pumasa, guys, ha? Bibigyan ko kayo ng passer dust ko. Guys, yung average ko pala sa CSE is nakapin sa TikTok videos ko. Okay? 92. Okay, sino? Sino ang gusto ma-manifest? Guys, share the live. Okay? Eto si Caitlyn. Guys, si Caitlyn muna ha. Kasi, nag-send siya ng heart me kanina. Caitlyn is a passer of August 2026 CSE. Okay, dalawa na yung passer ko. Sa number 6 naman, guys, I'm going to write again mamaya yung mga nakashare tapos nagsisend ng heart me. Thank you so much, pre. Guys, sa number 6, eto sabi, workers daw. For example, may dalawang nagtatrabaho. So, dalawang tao, di ba? Isa yan, tapos isa to. Dalawa sila. Pag dalawa sila, hindi pala. Pag dalawa sila, gaano katagal? Take note ha, pag isang tao, pag isto lang, is 20 days niyang magagawa. Pag eto naman nakagawa, is 30 days niya bago matapos. Paano pag nagsama sila? Tama guys, it is a product over sum guys. Sir, bakit product over sum? From the word together kasi, meaning nun, di ba, eto sila kanina, mag-isa lang sila nagtutulong. Mag-isa lang sila nagtatrabaho. Siyempre, pag nagtulong na sila, bibilis na yung trabaho kasi nagtulong sila eh. Wala nang tatagal. Di ba? So dito, this would be 20 times 30 all over 20 plus 30 pre. Okay, just product over sum pre. So 20 times 30 is 600 and 20 plus 30 is 50. 600 divided by 50 is 12 days nila matatapos. Okay? Always remember ha, pag hindi sila nagtutulungan, matagal. Okay? Pag nagtulungan na sila, hindi kayo tatagal ya. Okay? Pag nagtulungan sila, hindi na kayo tatagal. Malamang, hindi na kayo nagtagal ya, di ba? Gaano kayo katagal, guys? Sige nga, tanong lang, guys, para hindi ako palagi natatanong. Guys, gaano kayo katagal? Gaano kayo katagal? Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, mag-follow na kayo. And guys, meron pa tayong batch sessions, guys, ha? Every Sunday, guys, may batch sessions ako. Kahapon, sa 10 a.m. class ko, may 35 slots pa. Ngayon, 30 na lang natitira. Okay? Sa 7 p.m. class naman, kahapon 35 slots, ngayon 24 slots na lang siya. Sir, paano mag-enroll? Mag-DM lang kayo, pre. Ang tinuturo ko is math for CSE, LET, NAPOLCOM, FOE, or kung gusto mo lang matuto sa mga basics ng math. Ang dinidiscuss ko, mga basics, foundations, shortcuts, what to do, and paano maghimay ng word problems. Paano, magkano? Just 50 pesos per session, guys. Okay? And ang special offer ko this week is, if you avail this week, isasend ko sa inyo yung 4 past na mga replays ko, okay? Mga replays ko for the past 4 weeks. Yung mga batch sessions last 4 weeks, isasend ko sa inyo. Makukuha niyo yung worksheet niya, yung answer key, plus the replay ng live natin. Take note guys, sa 4 yun na tigto 2 hours. So, hindi na kayo lugi. Tapos, plus, may 50 items pa kayo sa Sunday. 2 hours yun. May replay, may answer key, may live. And syempre, may worksheet kayo na 50 items, pre. Guys, to DM, just to enroll, just DM me guys ha, kasi maubusan ko ng slot. Guys, ang dami na agad na bawas, oh. Thank you, scissors. Okay, to DM, to enroll, DM me lang. Oh, guys, all as in 50 pesos, yes guys. 50 pesos lang guys. Pero take note guys ha, it is per session guys. Per Sunday, yung 50 pesos natin, and our special offer is for this week lang. Thank you EJ sa pagsasend ng gift. I'm just going to answer number 7 first. Dito guys, if you encounter this problem, pag division ng fraction guys, this is keep, change, and flip method. Always remember ha, i-keep nyo yung una, meaning nun, huwag nyong gagalawin. I-change nyo yung division into multiplication. Sir, paano ipakita mo nga? Ayoko. Ba't ko ipapakita sa inyo? Yung solution, yung solution. Okay. So, 7 over 9, keep, meaning nun, i-keep mo lang siya. You would need to change this one into multiplication and you would need to flip this one. If i-flip mo siya, babalik ta rin mo siya. Magiging 27 over 14, pre. Okay, thank you, Engineer Kurt. Guys, eto guys dito na tayo magkakatalo. Guys, ang gagawin nyo dito is you would need to check yung magka-diagonal if they can divide each other. Kung pwede nilang i-divide yung isa't isa, guys. Okay? 7, pwede nilang i-divide yung 14, di ba? So, dito siya. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And 14 divided by 7 is 2, pre. Yung 9 at saka 27 naman, pre. 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 27 divided by 9 is 3, pre. So, we have 1 times 3, 3. And 1 times 2, 2. This would be our final answer. Sir, what if mixed fraction ang hinahanap? Yung may whole number. Alam niyo ba guys, gumawa ng whole number from improper fractions? Guys, take note ha, it is an improper fraction pag mas mataas yung nasa taas kaysa sa nasa baba. Sir, paano siya magiging mixed number or mixed fraction? Ito, yung magiging nasa loob natin, and ito yung magiging nasa labas natin. Okay, remember to ha. 3 divided by 2 is 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay guys, ito siya ha. Yung 1 dito, siya yung magiging whole number natin. Siya yung whole number. Yung 1 naman sa baba, yung remainder, siya yung numerator. Siya yung nasa taas. And then, yung 2 natin dito, siya yung nasa baba. Ito siya in mixed fraction form. Okay? 1/2 siya in mixed fraction form. Okay? Kulang yung question. Guys, kulang yung question natin sa number 8. We're just going to find the total na lang. Since kulang yung question ko sa number 8, we're just going to find the total na lang ha. Guys, pag hinahanap yung total na lang to. Kasi kulang yung question na nalagay ko, hindi ko na-check ng maayos. Okay? Sabi dito, average of 5 numbers is 32. Hinahanap yung total number niya. If hinahanap niya yung total number, guys, what you're just going to do is you would just need to multiply yung numbers natin. Kung ilan yung numbers, di ba 5 sila? 5 sila, imumultiply mo lang sa average niya na 32. So, 5 times 32 would have 160, pre. And don't forget, guys, if you follow me and pag nag-follow kayo, and na-reach nyo 300k taps, this worksheet would be free. Okay? This worksheet would be free ha pag naabot nyo 300k taps, and pag nag-share kayo ng live, tapos nag-follow kayo, pre. Okay? Thank you so much, pre, sa mga nagpa-follow. Kay Kimsey, kay Jen, kay Shan. Thank you so much, guys, sa mga nagpa-follow. Si Miss Capri nag-follow. Thank you so much, pre. Okay, thank you, Scissors. Thank you so much, guys. And pala, si Jed pala yung nag-gift kanina. Okay, Jed, manifest natin, ha? Jed, August 2026, CSE, passer ko yan, guys. Guys, remember ha, manifestation ko pa lang to. Ay, EJ pala, hindi Jed, yeah. EJ, sorry, EJ. Guys, take note ha, pag manifestation ko lang yon, kailangan nyo pa rin i-hard work kahit may swerte yung manifestation natin. Thank you, Engineer Kurt. Guys, remember ha, if it is percentage profit, you always need to think about these values. Okay? Ang old value or kung saan tayo nanggaling. Saan kayo nanggaling? Sa simula. Dito kayo nagsimula, di ba? Tapos, bigla kayo natapos. Joke lang. Thank you, Kazu. Yung old value natin is kung saan tayo nanggaling. Tapos, eto naman is yung bagong value. Eto yung bago niya. Eto yung bago niya. Okay? Ikaw to, eto yung bago niya. Kukunin mo yung difference, pre. Okay? Difference nilang dalawa muna. Sir, ano yung difference? Minus lang, pre. 15,000 minus 12,000 pesos para makuha mo yung difference. Ang difference nila is 3,000 pesos. Yeah. Sir, anong gagawin ko sa 3,000 pesos? I-over mo siya dito, sa'yo. Hindi sa kanya, sa'yo. Okay, sa'yo lang palagi. So, 3,000 na difference or yung pinagkaiba nyo, over sa'yo. Ayan na, guys. Sir, paano ulit yan? Just cancel out the zeros na tatlo. So, tatlong zeros din dito sa baba. Sir, paano magiging percentage yan? Pag kasi ni lowest term natin to, we're going to get 1/4, pre. And remember, ang 1/4 in percentage is 25% siya. Okay? Ang 1/4 sa percentage natin is 25% siya. So, you're going to have letter B as the final answer. Okay? Always remember ha, magma-minus lang kayo. Tapos, i-over nyo siya sa old value. Okay guys, remember, you can enroll pa. You can enroll pa guys sa konti na lang slots ko. Pag naubusan kayo this week guys, you can just enroll next week. Pero not sure kung magkakaslot pa ako next week. Malay nyo, nag-renew silang lahat. Okay? CSE, LET, NAPOLCOM, FOE na math. Ako na bahala magtuturo. Ang bayad lang is 50 pesos per session. Okay? And may bonus pala tayo, hindi ko nalagay. Guys, hindi ko nalagay yung bonus nyo ha. If you avail this week, you're going to have the 4 past replays, worksheets, answer keys, plus may cheat sheet ako ngayon na pinost doon. May cheat sheet ng percentage and fractions to decimals. Okay? Ayan, andyan lahat yan. Yun yung makukuha nyo dito. Ang magiging kuan is 50 items per session, 2 hours, may replay, may answer key, may live, tapos may worksheet. Mag-DM lang kayo dito. Mag-DM lang kayo. Guys, yung 1/4 is diba 3/12? Guys, yung 3/12, if in lowest term, it is 1/4 pre. Lowest term yung 1/4 pre. So, pag lowest term niya is 1/4, and we all know, ang 1/4 is 25% siya in percentages. Okay? If you want to avail, guys, pwede kayo mag-avail kasi nandun yung cheat sheet nito. May cheat sheet ako, nakakompile doon kung ano yung conversion ng fractions to percentages, etc. Okay? Yung 3K nang galing kasi nag-minus tayo. Mag-DM lang kayo. Thank you so much, pre. Sa number 10 tayo, guys. Number 10. What would be our number? Ay, our answer? 1/3 naging 1/2 naging 2/3 naging 5/6. Anong number to guys? Number 10 natin yan, di ba? Ang number 10 natin, what would be your answer? I'm going to give you at least 3 minutes guys to answer. Mag-shoutout muna tayo. Mag-shoutout muna tayo ng mga nag-comment. Ang gum, hindi lang gum. Guys, anong sagot nyo? And I want the reasoning guys Ang makakuha ng tamang sagot is we will manifest na pumasa kayo sa exam. I would need your solution din guys, okay? Siyempre, kailangan ko ng solution, guys. Hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na tama kayo without your solutions, pre. Dapat may solutions. Okay, what's your reasoning about your answer? Okay? What's your reasoning about your answer, pre? Thank you, Rix. May Zina X. Okay? Okay, anong sagot niya dyan, guys? What would be your answer, pre? What would be your answer? Let's check, guys. Ito yung difference nila. Okay. So, ito. Ito kasi siya, guys. Yung difference nila is ganito. Okay. Sir, paano makakuha ng difference? Paano ko makakuha yung difference? You're just going to subtract, pre. Ang gagawin nyo is 1/2 minus 1/3, pre. Sir, pwede ba yung butterfly method ituro mo sa akin? Yes, pwede ko ituro. Ang gagawin nyo dito is 2 times 3, it would be 6. Ang first number is 1 times 3, pre. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So, ang difference ng lahat ng numbers na to is 1 over 6, pre. 1 over 6 lang yung difference nila. Okay? Lahat sila, pag minus mo dito, makukuha mo to. Pag eto, minus mo dito, makukuha mo rin to. And eto, pag minus mo dito, makukuha mo rin to. Okay? Sir, anong gagawin na natin na next? Since hinahanap yung next number, di ba? Ang gagawin nyo is you're just going to add yung dalawa. Ipagpa-plus nyo ganyan. Pa-plus nyo lang. So, ano yung answer natin? Hello? Letter C? 5 over 6 plus 1 over 6? Letter C ba siya? Is it letter C? Take note guys ha. 5 over 6 plus 1 over 6. This would have 6 over 6. And 6 divided by 6 is equivalent lang din siya sa 1, di ba? So, this would be letter D dapat. Okay, tama kayo, ya. Good job, mga pre. So, dito sa number 11 naman. Number 11, guys, don't forget, if maka 300k tap-taps tayo, I'm going to post your worksheet ha, for free lang. Dito nyo makikita yung worksheet, guys. Pag na-reach nyo ulit yung 300k tap-taps, I'm going to post the worksheet like this, pre. Parang ganito, guys, para hindi na kayo nag-i-screenshot. Pipicturean ko na lang yung worksheet, pre, tapos ipopost ko siya for free. Okay, for free lang, ipopost ko siya dito. Thank you, Engineer Kurt. Thank you so much, pre, sa mga gift. Okay, ganyan para hindi na kayo mag-screenshot. Okay? And yes, guys, may replay tayo. Yung replay natin is nasa red up. Ito yung red up natin, guys. So, dito yung red up natin. Ito yung red up natin, guys. Kay Sir Arx. Kay Sir Arx yung replay natin. Makita nyo sa red up to. Okay, i-decimal guys, wag na. Nahirap mag-decimal. Masyadong ma-process. Tapos na yung question guys. Okay? Sa number 11 guys, we have this question. 5 over 6 times 9 over 10 tayo. Guys, dito, pwede nyo lang i-multiply as is. Pero mas maganda guys, if you're going to reduce the values muna. Check nyo lang yung magka-diagonal, pre. Check nyo to, and eto, if they can divide each other. Di ba pwede? Kasi 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 10 divided by 5 is 2, pre. Paano naman dito, sir? Paano naman dito? Pwede ba silang i-divide ng isang number? Di ba pwede silang i-divide by 3? Dito, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Sir, saan nakuha yung 3? Yun yung number kasi na pwedeng ipang-reduce sa dalawa. Okay? So, 1 times 3 is 3. And then, 2 times 2 is 4, pre. So, 3/4 na yung naka-parenthesis natin. Tapos, mag-a-add ka pa dito ng 1/4. So, 3 plus 1 is 4 over 4, pre. Kasi kopyahin mo lang siya. Hindi mo pagpa-plusin, ha? Wag mong gawin 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, wag yan, ha? So, eto. 4 over 4 is equivalent din siya sa 1. So, letter D. Case operations on fractions ang tawag dito sa question na to. Okay? Okay, ang ginawa lang natin is we reduce the values. Nung na-reduce na natin, nag-multiply na tayo. Tapos, in-add natin yung 1/4 kasi may 1/4 dito. Diba? 4 over 4 is the same as 1. So, eto guys, sa number 60 naman guys, sabi dito. Number 60. Ba't di nag-cross multi? Guys, hindi naman cross multiplication ang gagawin pag multiplication of fractions. I-multiply mo lang siya as is. Hindi pwedeng pa ganito. Okay? Sa division yun. Sa number 12 guys, sabi dito, 60 daw yung students, di ba? 60 yung students. Tapos, 35% ay boys. So, para mabuo yung 100% ng klase, automatically, 65% dyan, yung girls, pre. Okay, automatically, guys, 65% dyan yung girls. Okay? Ngayon, guys, ang gagawin natin dito is we're going to get the 65% neto. Sir, pwede himayin? Yes, guys, pwede siyang himayin. So, 65% is the same as 50%, 10%, and a 5%, pre. Okay? 50% is kalahati lang niya. Ang kalahati ng 60 is 30, pre. Ang 10% ng 60, guys, di ba 60? Pag kinukuha niyo yung 10% ng isang number, you would just need to move one decimal place to the left. So, 6 yung 10% niya. So, dito magkakaroon tayo ng 6. Sir, what about yung 5%? Yung 5%, guys, is kalahati siya ng 10%, right? Kalahati ng 10% is 5%. So, ang kalahati ng 6 is 3, pre. So, 30 plus 6 plus 3 is 39 na siya, pre. So, this would be letter A, pre. Take note, guys, yung 65% is nakuha natin kasi pag pinag-plus mo yan, it would total up to 100%. Walang labis, guys. Wala ding kulang. Guys, hinimay natin yung 65%, ha? Kalahati, 10%, kalahati ng 5%. Tapos pinag-plus lang natin. Thank you, Roxy Z. Guys, i-share nyo pa yung live and tap-tap kayo, guys. Guys, yung 50% is kalahati ng isang number, kaya naging 30 yung 60. 50% is just half. Half ng 60 is 30. Okay, so number 13 naman, guys. So number 13, what's your final answer here? Ano yung answer niya dito, guys? 1.6, 2.4, 3.6, tapos 5.4. Okay? Ano yan, guys? Anong sagot niyo dito? 0.8, 12, 0.8, 0.12, 0.18. Okay, anong sagot niya dito? Letter D. So, 1.6, 2.4, 3.6, and 5.4. So, dito may 0.8, 0.12, 0.18. So, plus 8.26. So, 8 yung magiging sagot dito. Tama. Guys, eto siya, guys, ha. Yung gap dito, papunta dito, is 0.8, diba? And dito naman, yung gap dito, is 1.2, pre. And dito, ang gap dito, is 1.8, pre. Kunin mo yung difference dito. Eto, para mapunta dito, is plus 0.4, diba? So, dito, is plus 0.6. So, dito dapat is plus 0.8. Okay, kasi odd ay even numbers yung pina-plus natin. So, 1.8 plus 0.8 is 2.6, pre. And 5.4 plus 2.6, ang sagot natin is 8.0, pre, or letter A. Okay? Ayun lang, guys. You just need to get the difference ng bawat isa. Kung ano yung mga gap nila. Guys, yung gap is from here papunta dito. And here, papunta dito. And here, papunta dito. Tapos dito, papunta dito. Yun yung gap na sinasabi ko, guys. Okay? Tama kayo, guys. Good job, mga pre. Guys, yung 0.8 is yung gap niya. Kasi 1.6 plus 0.8 is 2.4. Yung 0.8 ba dito? Yung 0.8 dito, guys, is yun yung gap niya. 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. So, dito, 0.10 yung madadagdag dito. Diba? For CSCIs, guys, yes, guys, pang civil service exam to, guys, okay? Pang CSE, LET, NAPOLCOM, ganun, FOE, pares lang din. Or pag nagre-review lang kayo sa math. Okay, guys, sa number 14, what would be your answer, pre? 5x minus 18 is equal to 3x plus 30, pre. Combining like terms lang tayo, ha? Yung positive, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, magiging negative siya. And eto, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, magiging positive naman siya. Okay? Eto yung rule, ha. Pag yung positive nilipat mo sa kabilang side ng equal sign, it would become negative. Positive to negative and negative to positive. Okay, pre? So, dito we'd have 5x. Yung positive dito is negative 3x siya dito. Kasi nga tinawid mo, diba? Yung positive pag itatawid mo sa equal sign, magiging negative siya. Tapos, 30 to, diba? Yung negative, pag tinawid mo sa kabilang side ng equal sign, magiging positive siya. So, plus 18 dito. So, we'd have 2x is equal to 48, pre. Dito, kailangang matira ni x, so we need to divide both sides by 2. Para matitira si x, guys. X is equal to 24, pre. Ay, 24 yung matitira, so tama kayo. Good job, mga pre. Guys, good job guys. And thank you guys. Please share the live and tap guys para makuha niyo yung worksheet. Please guys, share the live and tap para makuha niyo yung worksheet. Kasi guys, 300k taps yung goal natin, 'di ba? Tapos guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow guys. Baka nakakalimutan niyo mag-follow. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-follow guys. Guys, follow me. Nakakalimutan niyo mag-follow eh. Eto guys ha, sabi dito, 25% daw ay nagasto. Nagasto ha. Ang nagasto sa 800,000 pesos. Magkano lang yung natira? Natira yung tinatanong guys ha. Natira. Di ba guys, sabi natin, pag 25% of a certain number, you would just need to divide it by 4. Pag hinahanap nyo, yung 25% ng isang number, you would just need to divide it by 4 pre. Ito yung rule. Okay? So, ang 25% neto is 200,000 pesos. Yun yung nagasto. Ang tinatatanong is yung natitira. Okay? So, 800k yung pondo. Yung pondo niya to, ima-minus mo yung nagasto niya na 200,000. Ang matitira is 600,000 pesos, pre. This would be letter A, pre. So, tama kayo, guys. Tama yung mga nag-letter A. Thank you so much, guys, sa mga nagpa-follow. Guys, please follow me. And enroll kayo sa course ko. Paano mali, guys? Okay? Guys, hindi tayo nagtuturo ng mali dito, ha? Okay? Hindi tayo nagtuturo ng mali dito, guys. But 4%, guys, divided by 4, makinig kayo, guys, please. Guys, hindi 4%, guys. It is just divided by 4. Guys, division yan, guys. Di nyo ba alam yung division? Guys, yung 25% kasi is you would just need to divide the value by 4. 4, yung i-divide nyo sa given value pag hinahanap yung 25%. Okay, dito guys, PEMDAS rule, tama. So, we have this one first. So, 8 plus 4 squared muna guys ha. 4 squared is 16 divided by 6 pre. Okay? Sir, bakit may nunal yung 4? Kasi nga, may nunal sa taas, yeah. Kasi may bida sa taas, so may 2. And 4 times 4 is 16. Now, we'd have 24 divided by 6. So, ang answer natin is 4, pre. It would be letter B. Okay, FOIL method. Anong FOIL method kayo? Guys, yung FOIL method is for multiplication of polynomial siya. Yung may x. Halimbawa, yung FOIL method is applicable dito. Mga ganyan. FOIL method yan. Pero dito, wala naman tayong x, di ba? PEMDAS po. Yes, PEMDAS naman yun, guys. PEMDAS naman yun, guys. Guys, that is PEMDAS, guys. Lo, di nyo alam yung PEMDAS, guys? Naku. Sa number 17, guys. Sa number 17, may ratio tayo. 7:5. Walang given values. Okay. Ibahan natin yung question. May ratio tayo. Yung men to women na ratio is 7:5. Okay? Yung ratio natin is men to women, 7:5 siya. Okay? Kung meron tayong 140 na men, ilan yung women? Kasi kulang yung question na nalagay ko eh. So, we revised the question. Tignan nyo naman guys, di ba? Ako gumagawa kasi alam ko kung paano mag-revise ng question, di ba? Eto guys, sabi dito, di ba? Sa ratio kasi, kung ano yung mauunang value, sa kanya yung unang dito. Unang classification is sa kanya yung mauunang value. Si woman natin is 5 naman siya. Pangalawa kasi siya, so pangalawa din yung makukuha niya. Okay? Tapos sabi dito, kung may given tayo na men na 140, ilan yung woman? Guys, pag ganyan, you would just need to see kung sino yung magka-partner. Eto guys, magka-partner sila ha. Sir, bakit sila magka-partner? Kasi parehas silang men. Okay? Magdi-divide lang kayo dyan. So, 140 divided by 7, we'd have 20, pre. Okay? Sir, yung 20 na yan, anong gagawin ko? I-multiply mo siya dito, kasi ito yung hinahanap. Times 5, this would be 100 pre. So, 100 yung women natin. Dinivide nyo lang yung magkaparehas yung classification. Okay guys, remember, sa mga gusto mag-enroll, before I continue guys, 40 items pa tayo ha. Pero, I'm going to plug muna saglit. Kasi guys, sa Sunday, may batch review sessions tayo. Guys, yung batch review sessions natin is private siya guys ha. Hindi siya for public. Sa mga mag-a-avail lang siya. Okay? Sa 10 a.m. natin guys, yung 35 slots kahapon, 30 slots na lang yung natira. And sa 7 p.m. class natin, 24 slots na lang yung natira. So marami na yung na-avail nila kahapon. So para hindi kayo maubusan ng slot, you can just DM me pre. Sir, ang tinuturo mo? Ang tinuturo ko guys is math for CSE, LET, NAPOLCOM, tsaka FOE. 50 pesos lang po siya per session ha. Okay? At saka per session, may 50 items po siya, 2 hours with replay, answer key, live at saka worksheet. And special offer for this week is that if you avail this week, makukuha niyo yung 4 na past na sessions ko for free. Okay? Yung replay ng past sessions, 4 weeks yon. So, 4 yung mapapanood mo na replay. Yung answer key, tapos yung worksheet doon. Makukuha mo din siya for free. It's just 50 pesos per session, so avail your slots now. Konti na lang guys, so 30 tsaka 24 na lang. So pag naubusan kayo ng slot guys, I'm sorry. You need to wait next week kung magkakaroon pa ng slots. Okay? Para mag-enroll, DM na kayo guys. I'm going to entertain or reply after ng live stream ko. Okay? Mag-DM lang kayo sa TikTok ko guys. I'm going to reply naman after ng live. Thank you so much pre. So, number 18 naman tayo, guys. So, number 18, we have this. 2/5 plus 7/10 tayo. Hindi parehas yung denominator. Guys, pag hindi parehas yung denominator, you would need to get the LCD pre. LCD tayo dyan. Okay, guys, 2 hours per session tayo, guys, ha. 2 oras yung isang session na i-avail nyo. Sir, paano yung LCD? Isusulat mo yung 5, isusulat mo yung 5, at saka 10 pre. Sir, paano yung LCD? Listen. 5 times 1 is 5 pre. And 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10 pre. Ayan na agad yung LCD natin. Our LCD is 10. Kasi yun yung unang number na pareha sila. Okay? So dito, 10 yung nasa baba. Anong gagawin ko dyan, sir? Ang gagawin mo muna, is you're going to divide first. Divide muna guys ha. Divide and multiply. So, 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 10 divided by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1 times 7 is 7. So, we'd have 11/10 times 5. Okay? So, dito, 55 divided by 10. Okay? At isang patikim sa mga shortcuts na tinuturo ko sa private sessions. Okay? Whenever you're dividing by 10, di ba nagdi-divide kayo ng 10? Ang gagawin nyo lang is mag-move lang kayo ng isang decimal place pa left. Pag nagdi-divide kayo ng 10, you just move 1 decimal place to the left. Ayun na agad yung sagot natin. Ganon yung mga shortcut na tinuturo natin doon. Yung mga basic shortcut lang, pero magagamit mo siya in real life. Okay? Pag nagdi-divide ka ng 10, i-move mo lang pala yung decimal place niya pa left. Ganun lang pala yun. Okay, ba't times 5? Ala, di kayo nagtitingin sa given. Ala, given pre. Guys, take note ha, malayo pa kayo sa katotohanan para sa worksheet. Guys, 300k yung hiling ko. Tapos mag-follow kayo guys. Pag hindi pa na nagpa-follow, mag-follow kayo guys. Kasi, I'm looking forward to having more live streams this coming weeks, guys. Okay? This coming weeks, I plan to have more live streams, guys. Okay? And sir, paano ko makukuha yung worksheet? Guys, yung usapan ha, if naka-reach tayo ng 300k tap-taps, you can get the worksheet here for free. Sa Blue Up, guys ha. Guys, dito sa Blue Up kasi, para hindi nyo sabing, kung ako ha, hindi ko ginagawa yung sinasabi ko. Pinopost ko guys. Okay? Pinopost ko yung worksheets every night basta na-reach nyo yung goal. And guys, pansinin nyo to guys. Wait lang, sana yun? And guys, tignan nyo ha. Sa comment section guys, di ba pag pinost ko na yung answer key? Sa comment section, makikita nyo yung link ng worksheet. Ayan o, i-click nyo lang yun. Okay, so you need just to tap and follow guys. Take note ha, sa blue up ko siya pinopost. Ito yung blue up ko guys. And then guys, yung replay naman, yes, may replay to. Yung replay, walang goal na tap. Basta mag-subscribe na lang kayo dito. Guys, sa red up yung replay guys ha. Kaya, i-share niyo live kasi 40 items pa tayo. Okay? Kung may pang-gift kayo, mag-gift kayo. Kasi appreciated yan. Pambili ng bond paper. Ubus na bond paper ko guys. Ubus na. Okay guys, sa red up lahat ng replay. Kompleto yung replay ko guys. Walang cut. Dito guys, sa number 19. 4, 9, 11, 22, 37, and 56. What would be your next number? Next number natin, guys, isi-shoutout natin yung mag-share. And mag-comment kayo guys kung nag-share na kayo para ma-shoutout ko yung pangalan nyo. Thank you so much guys. Dito guys ha, yung 4, papuntang 11 is just plus 7 pre. 11 papuntang 22 is plus 11 pre. 22 to 37 is plus 15 pre. 37 to 56 is plus 19 pre. Can you see the pattern guys? Guys, can you see the pattern? Kung ano yung nadadagdag? Guys, can you see the pattern? Anong pattern niya guys? Di ba yung nadadagdag is 7, 11, 15, 19? So yung susunod dito, it should be 23. So 56 plus 23 is 79 pre. Okay, nag-expect ako guys na pag may ganyan sa civil service exam, alam nyo na agad yung gagawin nyo. Kasi nga, tinuro na ni Sir Arx. Okay, another lucky, isa pang lucky na, anong tawag nun? Isa pang lucky na ima-manifest natin na makapasa yung mapipili ko magko-comment. Guys, sino magsi-civil service exam? Eto guys proof lang na lucky tayo pag nagmamanifest tayo. Guys, marami na akong passer ng civil service exam. Legit, madami na guys. Kahit mag-backread kayo sa page ko or sa mga comments sa TikTok ko, marami nang nakapasa. Sino magsi-civil service exam muna guys? I-share nyo live para ma-manifest natin. Please. Okay, i-share nyo live and I'll manifest. I'll pick one guys. Lucky. Siyempre, swerte yan na lang. Ang dami nyo guys. Hindi ko may susulat lahat. Kulang yung time natin. Sino? It will. Sino? Sige, wait lang ha. I'm going to pick in 3. Guys, dapat may pangalan ha. Hindi ko kasi alam yung pangalan niyo. Ano sus? Dali naman. Dola katapat yan. Sige ya. Ikaw mag-live. Blessy. Okay, si Blessy ang napili natin. Blessy. CSE Passer. August 2026. Okay? Next naman, mamaya pipili ulit tayo. Dito guys, pag motion problem siya, you would need D, S, at saka T. So, anong meaning ng DST? Ang DST guys, is distance, speed, and time problem. Ang hinahanap dito is speed. Sir, paano mo nalaman na speed? Kasi nga, wala tayong speed do. Eto si distance, tapos eto si time natin. Diba? So, distance natin is 540 kilometers. I-divide natin siya by 6 hours, pre. So, if you divide those two, makukuha mo is 90 kilometers per hour. Okay, so letter E. Guys, we're going to pick another one person mamaya, ha? Guys, kayo i-share nyo yung live. Thank you so much, pre. Para visible yung comment nyo. Kasi, guys, mas visible yung comment ng nagla-live nang nag-share kesa sa mga hindi nag-share. Okay? Tapos, mas madali pag follower kayo. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate you so much. Tapos, kung may pang-gift kayo, syempre mag-gift na kayo. Thank you, guys. Sa number 21. Sabi dito, thank you, Mariel. Guys, sa number 21, sabi, 25% niya is 60. Guys, sabi natin, di ba? 25% daw ng isang number is 60. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina guys, yung 25% is 1/4 lang naman siya in fraction. Parehas lang yan guys. Yung 25% is 1/4 siya sa fraction. Is 60. Sir, paano na yung gagawin mo dyan, sir? You're just going to multiply both sides by yung kabaliktaran ng fraction. Babaliktarin mo lang yung fraction niya. So, 4/1, 4/1. So that we can cancel this out, matitira yung number natin, this would be 240. Sir, anong next step natin? Sabi, 140% daw neto. Hihimayin ulit natin. Yung 140% is isang 100, tapos 4 na 10% pre. Okay? Sir, bakit mo ginagawang ganyan? Hindi ka na lang mag-multiply. Kasi eto, yung mas beginner-friendly na way. Mas madali tong way na to, guys. Ay, huwag niyong pahirapan yung sarili niyo. Sir, yung 100% pa, is eto siya. Yes, guys. Kung 100% siya, you would just need to copy the number itself. So, copyahin mo lang. Tapos, yung 10% neto, is you're just going to move 1 decimal place to the left. Ayun na agad yung 10% niya. Ang 10% niya is 24. So, 4 na 24 pre. So, dito, if pinag-plus mo yan lahat, you're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 13, carry 1, 336 pre. So, letter C. Okay, guys, remember ha, walang calculator pag civil service exam, okay? Or NAPOLCOM or FOE. Or pag mag-PMA kayo, wala din. Walang calculator sa exam, guys. Kaya it's better to know how to solve it manually. Basic. Thank you, Zam. Thank you, Michi, nag-follow. Guys, don't forget ha, baka hindi nyo ma-reach yung goal. Nanghihinayang ko sa inyo, guys. Kasi free worksheet na to, guys, eh. Ayaw nyo pa? Ayaw nyo? Free worksheet? Okay. So, number 22, guys. It is 7/8 minus 3/16. Okay. Dito, guys, 7/8 minus 3/16. Diba, guys, hindi parehas yung denominator? Kaya LCD ulit tayo. Sir, paano nga ulit yung LCD? Guys, yung LCD natin, you're just going to draw a table. Tapos, 8 at saka 16 dito. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, pre. And 16 times 1 is 16. Yung 16 yung least common denominator. Kasi dun sila nagparehas. So, dito, 16 yung nasa baba. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Times 7 is 14. Divide tapos multiply lang ginagawa ko, guys, ha. 16 divided by 16 is 1. Times 3 is 3, pre. So, we'd have 11/16. Ito times mo pa siya sa 32. Okay? Times 32, pre. And our process here would be just to divide first. Divide nyo muna. Tapos, imumultiply nyo after. Thank you, Gen C. Lamin. Thank you so much, pre. Ang gagawin nyo is divide and then multiply, pre, ha? So, 32 divided by 16 is 2. Times 11 is 22, pre. Letter D. Guys, ito yung sasabihin ko, guys, ha. Guys, pag mag-gift kayo, itaan niya na hindi ako nagsasolve, guys. Kasi, guys, hindi ko pwedeng putulin yung explanation ko, guys, just to shout out. Okay? Guys, thank you so much, pre, sana maintindihan nyo. Kasi nga, pag pinutol ko yung explanation, mawawala lahat ng manonood. Ay, hindi na sila makakasunod. Kaya, guys, it's better to wait na lang muna. Okay? And, guys, pala, can you share the live, please? Guys, mababa yung viewers natin ngayon. Hindi nyo marireach yung 300k na top-tops. Kaya please share the live. Thank you so much, pre. Para din matulungan nyo ako, guys, kasi naghahabol ako ng followers. Paparami tayo ng followers, guys, eh. Para madami rin ako maturuan. Okay? Diba? Sa number 23 tayo, guys. Thank you, haba ng hair ko, kay Devon, kay Cherlimton. Thank you so much. AOB Finds, thank you. Kay Michi nag-repost. Thank you so much, pre. Kay Patreng nag-repost. Thank you so much. Eto, guys, sabi dito. May 8 employees daw tayo. 8 employees tayo from the question. Tapos, yung average age nila or average na edad nila is 31, pre. 8 employees and 31 yung average age nila. Anong gagawin ko dyan, sir? Ang gagawin mo dito, is you just need to multiply. Okay? 8 times 31 is 248, pre. Okay? Ngayon, nag-resign yung isang employee. Okay, nag-resign yung isang employee. Wait lang guys, may ipipin lang tayo na comment. Guys, tignan nyo itong comment niya guys. Guys, tignan nyo yung comment niya guys ha. Guys, yung 31 is given ha, okay? Sabi dito, yung average age daw ng 8 na employees is 31. Given siya. Okay? Tapos, yung 248 guys, it is the total. Okay? Ita times mo lang siya. Ngayon guys, one employee age 39 resigned. Okay? Isa daw yung nag-resign. So, mababawasan tayo ng isang employee, tas magbabawas kayo dito ng 39 pre. Okay? So, matitira is 7 employees na lang tayo. Tapos, yung total age nila would become 209 na lang siya. Okay? Ngayon, we need to divide, pre. I-divide na lang natin yan, guys. Siyempre, hinahanap yung average, di ba, na age. So, yung total na 209, we would divide it by 7, pre. Okay? 20 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Pag minus natin yan, you're going to have 6. Ibababa mo yung 9. Okay? 69 divided by 7 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63, pre. I would 67. 63, pre. Pag minus mo yan, you're going to be left with 6. So, decimal place, add 0, i-bring down mo yung 0 dito. 60 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So, 4 na lang dito. So, dito guys, we already have the final answer dito. Okay? So, yung 4, mag-bring down ulit kayo ng 0 dito. Eto siya. 40 divided by 7 is 5, and 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, kahit ko ito na lang kunin natin kasi pwede na tayo mag-round up. Okay? Eto guys, if 5 pataas yung kasama niya dito, you're going to round this up. So, 29.85 is the same as 29.9 if rounded. Approximate. So, letter E siya guys. Okay. Guys, nagbawas tayo ng isa ha kasi nga nag-resign. 8 sila dati. Tapos, Taeyol, nag-resign yung isa. Yung edad niya is 39. Kaya guys, pag nag-resign, di ba matatanggal siya? Kaya ima-minus mo siya. Okay? Ito na yung total niya. And to get the average, you just need to divide it. Thank you, Maya. Thank you guys sa mga nagsusupport. Thank you so much guys. Sa number 24 naman tayo guys. Guys, ituturo ko sa inyo yung shortcut ha. Kasi minsan, sa civil service exam or any exams na may number sequence, may pattern siya agad. Titignan nyo lang agad yung pattern, guys. Okay. May pattern kasi sa guys. Okay? May mga questions kasi sa civil service exam, guys. Or sa any exams na may pattern. Di ba may pattern? Lahat. Tignan nyo yung sa taas muna. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, dito, it should be 10. 5, 7, 9, 11. So, dito is 13. Ayun na agad. Di nyo kailangan mag-solve. Kailangan nyo lang ng common sense, pre, di ba? Okay, guys, we have 16 items pa na natira. So, habol kayo ng top, guys, para mabigay yung worksheet for free. Sige na, guys. I'm going to give it to you for free. Okay, tapos nag-tap lang kayo, tapos mag-follow kayo. Kasi guys, nag-abol tayo followers and engagements. Okay, thank you so much mga pre. Thank you so much ha. Guys, pag PEMDAS, we have this. Okay, rule ulit. Guys, rule ulit guys ha. Yung PEMDAS, MDAS, BODMAS, GEMDAS, at saka GEMS is different terms. Magkakaiba sila ng term, pero isa lang yung meaning. Halimbawa sana, sa Tagalog, iba yung meaning neto sa Tagalog. Iba sa English. Pero isa lang ibig sabihin. Parang ganun lang siya. Okay? So, yung PEMDAS, MDAS, BODMAS, GEMDAS, at GEMS, iba-iba yung spelling pero parehas din yung meaning. Ang uunahin natin is naka-parenthesis. Second is exponents. Third is multiplication and division. So, left to right tayo dyan. Kung mauuna, si division. So, pag may division muna, bago multiplication, edi ito yung unahin natin. Kasi from left to right tayo. And addition to subtraction is the same rin. So, left to right tayo. Kung ano yung mauuna, siya yung uunahin natin. Okay? Dito guys So, dito, it would be parenthesis first. So, 72 divided by 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 8 squared, guys. 8 squared is 64, diba? Okay? 72 divided by 12 is 6. Plus 64, we'd have 70. So, dito, this would be letter B, pre. Kulang na naman yung question sa number 26. Circumference if pi is equal to 22 over 7. Okay. Eto guys pag ganito, diameter, kasi pag may circle tayo guys, okay, may circle. For example, circle. Ang ibig sabihin ng diameter guys is from one point of the circle going through the middle. Okay, ayan yung diameter guys. Parang Pokemon siya. Hati niya yung circle ng straight. Okay? Eto, tapos eto are equal. Dapat, nasa gitna ha. Nasa gitna. Dapat dumaan sa gitna. Okay? Ayan yung diameter, sorry. Ang diameter daw niya is 28. And then, yung pi natin is 22 over 7. Hinahanap si circumference. Ang circumference kasi guys, may dalawang formula. Okay? May pi diameter at saka may 2 pi r tayo. Okay, dito diameter yung given, so we're going to use this formula. So, 22 over 7 times our diameter na 28. Guys, stay with me dito ha. Ang gagawin natin dito is divide muna. 28 divided by 7 is 4, pre. And 22 times 4, ayan na agad yung circumference natin. 88, pre. So, letter B. Okay, yung pi guys is 22 over 7. Pi siya guys. Pi. Yung pi guys, it can be 3.14 or 22 over 7. Marami pang equivalent yung pi. Okay? Guys, yung pi diameter is pag diameter yung given. Pag circumference, ay pag radius naman yung given, edi eto. Constant to guys, 22 over 7. Pi nga siya guys. Pi. Pi nga, sorry. Pi to guys. Pi nga yan guys 28 divided by 7 is 4. Okay? Guys, dito increase naman. From 24,000. Ito yung old value natin Tapos, may new value tayo na 28,800 pre. Ito yung new value natin. Bagong value niya. Ano yung increase? Guys, pag sinasabi nating increase pre, is kailangan nyo mag-minus muna. Mag-minus lang kayo, pre. Okay? New value. So, 28,800 minus 24,000. Dito, magkakaroon tayo ng 4,800. Ayan yung difference nila. Ang gagawin mo lang dito is you're going to over it. 4,800 over 24,000, pre. Thank you, Alice. Guys, remember guys etong difference na to, i-over mo siya sa old value natin. Okay? So, maka-cancel out yung dalawang zeros. Ang matitira is 48 over 240. Sir, paano mag-solve ng ganyan? Yung 48, yung nasa loob, and 240 yung nasa labas. And dito, hindi pwedeng i-divide, so you're just going to add a decimal place and a 0. 480 divided by 240 is 2. 2 times 240 is 480. So, 0 na yan siya. Thank you, Maria. So, dito, mayroon tayong 0.2 or in percentage. Pag percentage kasi guys, pag decimal to percentage, you would just need to move 2 decimal places to the right and add 0. So, 20% siya. Letter A. Ayun lang siya guys, difference lang nila, tapos i-over nyo sa old value. Guys, thank you so much guys Guys, remember, you can enroll pa, marami pa akong slots. Guys, sa Sunday class, private session yan, may 10 a.m. at saka 7 p.m. Pwede kayong mag-enroll guys. May 30 slots na lang sa 10 a.m. class ko, and 24 slots na lang sa 7 p.m. class. Math siya for CSE, LET, NAPOL, Com, tsaka FOE. Okay? Meron basta niyan. Tapos, ang bayad is 50 pesos per session lang. Paano mag-enroll? DM lang kayo, guys. Okay? And may, anong tawag nun? May promo tayo this week. Pag nag-enroll kayo this week, pwede kayong makakuha ng 4 past sessions ko. Yung past sessions, yung replay niya, yung answer key and worksheet for free. Libre lang yun, guys, pag nag-enroll kayo. Kaya may promo tayo. Kaya, mag-DM na kayo, guys. Para makasali kayo, mag-DM na kayo. Number 28, guys. We have 4/9 plus 5/6 pre. Sir, pag ganyan, we need to get the LCD, guys. LCD kailangan natin, ha? Parang ganyan. Tapos, isulat nyo yung nasa baba. 9 at saka 6 pre. Okay? 9 times 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 times 2 is 18. Guys, through Discord yung session. 9 times 9 is 18 and 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 6 times 6 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times 3 is 18 din pre. Ito yung LCD. So, dito, i-over mo lang siya sa 18. Tapos, divide lang ulit. 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 18 divided by 6 is 3 times 5 is 15 pre. 8 plus 15 is 23/18 pre. So, we'd have letter C. Tama. Okay? Tama kayo dyan, guys. It is letter C for number 28. We have 12 items left, guys. So, see you tomorrow. Pag tapos natin, see you tomorrow, mga ERP. Sa number 29, guys. 5, 9, 17, 33, and 65, pre. What would be your answer dito? 5, 9, 17, 33, and 65. Ano yung answer niyo dito? Guys, may replay tayo. Pwede nyo maulit yung mga items natin sa replay. Dito yung replay, guys. Oh. Guys, 40 items lang tayo tonight, ha. Dito, guys, yung replay. Andyan, guys, oh, yung logo. Okay, 5, 9, 17, 33, and 65. Ano yung next number? Dito is plus 4, diba? Dito is plus 8. Dito is plus 16. And dito is plus 32, pre. So, nadodoble lang yung pina-plus natin. So, dito, it should be plus 64, pre. And 65 plus 64 is 129, pre. So, letter B siya dapat. Tama kayo, guys. Good job, pre. Good job, good job. Okay. So, number 30, may ratio tayo, pre. May ratio tayo ng A, B, to C. Ayun yung ratio natin, guys. Si A natin is 2, si B is 4, and si C natin is 6. Tapos sabi dito, if C is equal to 180K, magkano si A? Magkano si A pag ganyan, guys? Hindi siya arithmetic sequence, guys, ha? Number sequence to. Guys, wag niyong maipagbaliktad yung number sequence sa arithmetic sequence. Number sequence to, guys. Ang arithmetic sequence kasi, guys, is constant yung pina-plus. Ito hindi constant kasi nagbabago yung pina-plus. Number sequence to. Balik tayo sa number 30, guys. Ha? Sabi, may ratio tayo na A to B to C. Ito yung mga values nila. Kung si C natin is 180K, ilan si A? Kunin nyo lang yung magkaparehas, guys. Di ba magkaparehas yung C? Di-divide nyo lang. 180K divided by 6. Kasi 6 si C, diba? So, we'd have 30K, pre. Yung 30K na yan, you're going to multiply it sa A. Okay, kasi A yung hinahanap. We'd have 60K, pre. So, dito, si A natin is 60,000 pesos. It should be letter C. Tama kayo, guys. Good job, mga pre. Guys, ang gagawin nyo lang sa ratio, if may makapareha siya, you just divide. Okay, pag may kapareha siya, di-divide nyo lang. Number 31 naman, pre. Sa number 31, we have this question naman. Guys, focus muna tayo dito ha, kasi naka-parenthesis siya. Okay? 3/4 plus 1/2. Actually, guys, may shortcut dito. May shortcut dito. And, di ko lang pwedeng ituro, guys, kasi nga, unfair din sa mga nag-avail. Kaya, sorry, guys. May shortcut kasi ako, guys, pag nag-a-add ng ganito. Yung mga nag-avail ng Sunday na panood nila. So, dito, titiis tayo sa LCD. Okay, sa LCD, guys, you're going to add yung mga denominators natin. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, pre. Ayan ang LCD. Okay? So, 4 yung LCD natin. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. We have 5/4. Guys, hindi cross multiplication yung shortcut ko dito, guys, hindi. Promise, ibang method yung ginagawa ko, guys. Sariling develop ko na method yung tinuturo ko sa Sunday session. Kaya, hindi nila alam, ay hindi nyo mahulaan ko ano. Diba guys, 5/4, yung nakuha natin sa first part, i-divide natin sa 5/8. Hindi butterfly, hindi rin reciprocal. Okay, pag nagdi-divide tayo ng fractions, you need to keep, change, and flip it. Keep, change, flip. So, keep mo yung una, change it to multiplication, and then you're going to flip, pre. Okay? Guys, pang civil service to. Guys, i-check nyo magka-diagonal if they can cancel out each other. Magka-diagonal sila, di ba? Ito ba tinuturo sa'yo sa bahay, pre? Ayan, guys, yung comment na rin, ganyan siguro yung tinuturo sa bahay nila. Tapos dito, guys, matitira is 8/4 na lang. 8 divided by 4, this would become 2, pre. Okay, so ang final answer natin is 2. Maka-cancel yung 5 kasi parehas lang naman silang 5, di ba? Pwede silang makancel out sa isa't isa, pre. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. This would be letter B. Okay? I feel sad for you, pre, pag ganyan yung natututunan mo sa bahay. Okay? Guys, let's feel sad for him, guys, kasi baka ganyan yung natututunan niya sa bahay niya. Okay? I feel sad for you, pre, kasi ganyan yung natututunan mo sa bahay niyo. Okay? Kasi kung ano yung natututunan mo sa bahay niyo, ayan din yung nilalabas mo in public. So, baka, ganyan natututunan mo sa bahay. I feel sad for you and your family, pre. Okay, dito, guys, 40% of a number is 72 daw. Okay? 40% of a number is 72. Di ba, guys, i-divide mo lang to sa 40%, pre. Tapos, pag nagdi-divide ka ng percentage, you're going to multiply it sa 100 pa. Okay? So, dito, cancel out mo yung 40%, matitira yung number, pre. Sir, paano mag-divide? Ito lang siya. Diba? 72 is nasa loob and 40 yung nasa labas. Ito kasi yung nasa loob, ito yung nasa labas natin. Okay? So, 1 times 40 is 40, pre. 32 na lang matitira. Add a decimal place and a 0, i-bring down mo lang dito. 320 divided by 40 is 8 and 8 times 40 is 320, pre. So, dito, 1.8 siya. Times 100, ang number natin is 180. We're finding yung 75% niya. So, ano yung 75% niya? Pwede bang mahimay? Yes, guys. Yung himay method kasi is a beginner-friendly method or parang pinadali siya na method pag nagkukuha kayo ng percentage ng number. Guys, eto yung 50% at saka 25%, it forms 75% kasi pag pinag-plus, di ba? Sir, bakit tinuturo mo yung himay method? Guys, kasi, yung himay method is beginner-friendly siya kasi wala siyang multiplication. Okay? Yung 50%, guys, is just half of the number. Kalahati niya lang. So, anong kalahati neto? Di ba 90? And yung 50, yung kalahati niya is 25, di ba? So, kalahati din neto, 45. So, dito, this would be 135, pre. Okay? Guys, yung 50% of a number is kalahati niya lang. Ang kalahati neto is eto, so kalahati niya lang din. Kasi pag-plus mo na lang. Okay, pre? Guys, remember ha, if hindi natin ma-reach yung goal today na 300,000 likes, tomorrow na ulit, kayo makakuha ng worksheet kung maabutin yung like. Guys, we have 8 items left. Thank you so much guys sa mga nagpa-follow. Tapos sa mga nag-share natin dyan. Thank you so much mga pre. I appreciate it. And everyday guys, I'm live from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Ay, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Hindi 11 p.m. guys. 2 hours lang ako nagla-live. Guys, pag nakita nyo tong sign na to, times yan. So, 32 times 18 lang yan. So, anong sagot natin if you multiply it? 32 times 18 is 576 lang, pre. This would be letter B. Guys, yung reviewer na mga tinuturo ko is for civil service exams, okay? Pang civil service exam tayo, guys, ha? And yung mga nagre-refresh lang ng utak kasi may mga examinations na darating, okay? Kaya guys, I would really appreciate it if you would like the live, share it, tapos mag-follow kayo. Kasi everyday, I'm doing it, Monday to Friday, 7 to 9 p.m. Okay guys, thank you so much pre. Thank you. Sa number 34 naman guys. Sabi dito, di ba, pag PEMDAS, parenthesis muna. Pero may exponent tayo dito sa loob. So, 6 squared is 36 pre. Thank you, Thank you, pre, sa gift. 6 squared is 36 minus 12 divided by 4, pre. Okay? 36 minus 12, this would be 24. Divided by 4, we're going to have 6 as the final answer, pre. So, letter B. Tama, ang bilis mo naman, Ana. Wala nang solution. Kailangan natin ng solution, eh. Guys, eto guys, ha? Ang gagawin natin, pag total hinahanap, okay? For example, may 9 na tao. May 9 na tao, pre. Ay, 12 pala. So, for example, may 12 na tao. Ang dami. Pinagod ko sarili ko. Ayan, 12 na tao. For example, 12 na tao. Tapos, yung isa-isa lang yung kamay. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Isa pa. Walang pa yung isa. Okay, isa. 12 sila, guys. Okay? 12 na tao. Half yung isa. Kasi na-aksidente, guys. Isa na lang yung paa. Yan na lang siya. Ayan. Tapos, may saklay. Saklay. Okay, guys. Eto siya. May 12 na tao. Nag-exam sila. 84 yung average nilang lahat. Paano yung total? Pagpalagay mo, na bawat isa dito nakakuha ng 84 kasi yun yung average. So, ang gagawin mo, 12, imumultiply mo lang sa 84, you're going to have 1,008, pre. Letter D. Tama kayo, guys. Ang galing nyo naman. Guys, remember ha, hindi ito kasali. Ay, kasali pa rin siya kahit isa lang yung paa niya kasi tao pa rin siya. Okay? Kasali pa rin siya, ya. Hindi naman pwedeng tanggalin mo yun. Hindi 3/4. Hindi, babalik ko na nga yung paa niya. Sabihin ko na lang na nabalik na yung paa niya kasi may nagbigay. Guys, pwede yan, di ba? Pag natanggalan ka ng paa, papalitan yung paa mo. Number 36, guys. 5/8 plus 3/4. Dito, guys, hindi parehas yung LCD, ha? Ay, yung denominator. Kukunin nyo ulit yung LCD, ha? Ang LCD nila, guys, is 8. Guys, kanina ko pa tinuturo yung LCD, ha? Kanina pa, ha? Pag di nyo pa nagigets, panoorin nyo yung replay. Saan yung replay? Ipapakita ko mamaya. 8 divided by 8 is 1, times 5 is 5, plus 8 divided by 4 is 2, times 3 is 6. So, we'd have 11/8 times 16. Guys, yung process ko, please, shortcut na nga to. Just divide it first, then multiply it after. Divide it first, then multiply it after. 16 divided by 8 is 2, times 11 is 22. Okay, siguro di answer, pre. So, di answer tayo dyan number 36. And last page na tayo, pre. Guys, last page na tayo, pre. So, wala na. Tomorrow na yung worksheet nyo. Tomorrow na. Bye-bye, guys. Last 4 items, ganun, pre. Last 4 items. And yes, guys, you can see the replay here sa YT. Guys, yung YT, guys, makikita nyo dito yung replay. Kaya subscribe nyo na to, pre. Okay, every live natin may replay dito. Kaya guys, kung gusto niyo mag-review, advanced review, open siya dito. Lahat to is free. Lahat yan. Ang dami oh. Pwede niyo mapanood yan lahat sa YT. Libre lang lahat yan guys. Walang tapon, walang labis, walang kulang. Okay. Another one guys. Magbabay time ako para sa inyo. Every Sunday guys, may private sessions tayo. Okay, for math. Okay? For math, yung private sessions natin. Tapos, yung 10 a.m. class natin, from 35 slots, 30 slots na lang tayo. Okay? Sa 7 p.m. class ko, 35 slots kahapon, 24 slots na lang ngayon. Okay? Pang CSE, pang LED, pang NAPOLCOM, pang FOE. 50 pesos lang per session. Mag-DM lang kayo guys, okay? Mag-DM kayo para maka-enroll. Guys, ang promo natin this week, if you avail this week, magkakaroon kayo ng 4 past replays. Yung mga replay ko sa past na Sunday sessions, may worksheet doon, may answer key, tsaka may replay itself. Okay? 50 items lang siya per session. 2 hours yun. And may replay kayo, may answer key, may live, at saka may worksheet. Guys, to DM, just DM me guys, okay? To enroll, just DM me guys. Thank you so much guys. DM mo na ako guys pag mag-enroll kayo. Kasi guys, pag naubusan kayo ng slot this week, mahirap na makakuha next week kasi marami nang magre-renew. And guys, hindi ko pa sure kung 24 slots nga ba yan kasi nga, marami pang magre-renew from our last session ng Sunday. Kaya, it's better if you reserve your slot now. Dito guys, anong sagot nyo dito? Ba't 64, 62 lang to guys? Anong sagot nyo dito? Diba? Plus 8 dito. Plus 16 dito. Tapos plus 32 pa dito. So, our next number here is plus 64 pre. Kasi nadodoble lang yung pina-plus mo ya. 62 plus 64 is 126 pre. So, this would be letter A. Okay, tama kayo guys. Times 2. Tama, guguling. Okay guys, eto sabi sa number 38. Guys, pag ganito, huwag kayong mag-assume agad ha sa number 38. Oy, Daryl, number 38 ba? Tama ka, Daryl, pag number 28. Yan, gusto ko yan yung mga tinuturuan ko ng Sunday session. Nagko-comment. Kasi nagiging proud ako sa kanila eh. Guys, hindi letter E guys. Pag percentage, hindi nyo pwedeng i-minus lang yung value. Hindi, mali yan guys. Mali, please, mali. Mali to guys, mali. Maling process yan. Okay, hindi pwede yan. Pag percentage kasi guys, magbe-base tayo always sa 100%. 100% tayong base natin. So, dalawang 100% tayo. Kasi dalawang beses nag-change ng value. Okay? Yung 100% na marked up daw or tumaas ng 25%. Tapos, nabawasan siya ng 20%. Okay. So, dito, magkakaroon tayo ng 125% and here, we'd have 80% na lang pre. Okay? So, dito, this would be 1.25 and this would be 0.8 pre. Ita times mo na lang yan ya. 1.25 times 0.8, you'd have 1.000. Or in percentage, 100% pa rin siya. Okay, nagsimula tayo sa 100%, natapos tayo sa 100%. So, it means, it should not have any change, pre. There should be no change. Kaya guys, gaya sa buhay natin, hindi natin kailangang mag-assume agad ng values. Okay? Huwag tayong mag-assume agad sa buhay kasi kadalasan sa mga pag-assume natin, mali ang nakukuha. Ayun lang, no? 126 guys, 8, yan yung gap. 8, 16, 32. So, next gap would be 64. Nadodoble lang yung gap. 62 plus 64 is 126. Nadodoble lang kasi yung gap. Okay, sa number 39 naman guys, we just need to combine like terms. Pagsasamahin natin yung may x at saka yung mga walang x guys. Okay? So, dito, 4 over 5x, yung positive dito pag nilipat mo sa kabila, magiging negative na siya. Is equal to 24. Yung negative dito sa kabilang side ng equal sign, positive 12 na siya. So, 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5 is 2 but plus. Guys, minus 2 guys ha. Minus. Is 2 over 5x is equal to 36 pre. And diba, sinasabi ko sa inyo palagi, is you would just need to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the fraction or kabaliktaran ng fraction niya para ma-cancel out to. X would be left and ang process dito is divide muna. 36 divided by 2 is 18 times 5. This would be 90 pre. Yes guys, pang CS ito. And just follow me guys kasi everyday ako nagla-live. Eto guys, sabi dito. The ratio of employees ay employees to supervisors. Employees, supervisors. Yung employees natin is 8. Lalagyan mo ng X. Supervisors natin is 3. Lalagyan mo din ng X. Okay? Anong next step mo dito? Gagawin mo tong fraction. Gagawin mo siyang fraction sa 8x over 3x pre. Sir, anong gagawin ko dito sa fraction? Sabi sa question, di ba? After 24 employees resigned daw. Saan ba dito yung employees? Di ba yung 8x? So, you're going to subtract here 24. Kasi nga, nag-resign yung 24 na tao. Naging 6x over 3x na lang yung ratio. Saan nakuha yun? Dito guys, nilagyan ko lang ng x, tapos in-over ko sa isa't isa. Tapos dito, you just need to combine, or cross-multiply pala, sorry. So, cross-multiply ka lang dyan, pre. Okay? Ngayon, ba't cross-multiply? 3 times 6, ba't parang namamali ako? Huwag din nalalagyan natin ng x dito eh. Di natin lalagyan ng x dito. Kasi dito, magkakaroon ka ng 3 times 8x minus 24 is equal to 6 times 3x. So, this would be 24x minus 72 is equal to 18x. Tama, hindi na lalagyan ng x. Okay, dito, combining x's na lang tayo dito. Yung positive 18 dito, sa kabila is magiging 18. Negative 18 na siya. And yung negative dito, magiging positive na siya sa kabila. Okay? So, dito, magkakaroon tayo ng 24x, yung positive, magiging negative, and yung negative, magiging positive pre. So, we'd have 6x is equal to 72. Just divide both sides by 6, so we'd have x na 12. Okay, 12 yung x natin. Pansin nyo ba yung question natin, guys? Kung x yung 12 natin, ilan yung original employees? Remember ha, ang x na nakuha natin is 12. Ilan yung original employees natin? I-times nyo lang. Yung 8 dati, kasi ito yung employees, di ba? You're going to multiply it sa 12. So, we'd have 96 pa. Kasi yung hinahanap is original, hindi yung nag-resign. So, 96 is letter D. Guys, yun lang tayo guys for tonight. And sadly, you did not meet the 300k na goal natin. Good luck and better luck next time, okay? Para sa free worksheet natin, meron ulit bukas guys, okay? Pa-free worksheet ulit natin bukas pag na-reach nyo yung goal nyo, okay? Thanks so much mga pre. And salamat sa panonood. Again guys, sa Sunday, may private batch sessions tayo ha. Guys, sa Sunday, may private batch sessions tayo. May 10 a.m. class tayo, tapos 7 p.m. class. Okay, sa 10 a.m. class ko, 30 slots na lang natitira, and sa 7 p.m. class ko naman is 24 slots na lang natitira. So, to avail, DM lang kayo guys ha. Pang CSE, LET, NAPOLCOM, and FOE siya. Math lang tinuturo ko. Okay? 50 pesos siya per session guys ha. Yung bayad is 50 pesos per session. And yung one guys, yung promo ko this week is you'd have the 4 past worksheets na live ko or batch sessions namin. Yung 4 na naunang 4 batch lessons, makukuha nyo for free. Mapapanood nyo lahat ng replays doon, answer key and the worksheet. And thank you so much guys. I'll reply agad since wala naman ako ipopost na worksheet. And yung replay guys, makikita nyo na lang sa red app ko. Ito yung red app ko guys. Thank you so much guys and see you tomorrow. Sana guys, matapos nyo yung goal natin tomorrow para magka-free worksheet kayo. Thank you so much guys and see you tomorrow. Bye bye guys. Magre-reply na ako comments.